Vermicompost is another compost you have already learned. In vermicomposting, the organic waste is decomposed faster with the help of earthworm. Green manure. It is a fertilizer consists of growing plant that are plowed back into the soil. It consists of all type of pulses, leguminous plant that have high nitrogen content. Student, as we all know that when our farmers sowing the pulses in the field, then they plowed back in the field because pulses have a good quality of nitrogen content. Advantages of manure. Uh, it adds organic substance to the soil and enriches the soil. Second, it increases water holding capacity and make the soil porous exchange of gases. It increases the number of useful microorganisms. It maintains the quality of soil for a long time. These all are advantages of manure, like soil enriched soil porous exchanges of gases, useful microorganism, maintain the quality of soil for long time. These all are the advantages of manure. Fertilizers are man-made inorganic chemical compound which supply specific nutrient to the soil. Manures and the fertilizers all are good for crop production, but fertilizers have many disadvantages. We studied in this topic. The most commonly used fertilizers are the NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Chemical fertilizers have become popular with farmers because most of them are soluble in water, can be easily absorbed by plant. They are also too easy to store and handle. Fertilizers are applied either by broadcasting in the field, spraying through irrigation channels. Some example of commonly used fertilizers are urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, and potassium nitrate. All are the example of fertilizers. Student, we studied about disadvantages of fertilizers. Excessive use of fertilizers can damage soil by making it either too acidic or too basic. When we use more fertilizers, our soil is making likely base and acidic. Fertilizers have also become a source of water pollution. Excess fertilizers get washed away by rainwater from crop fields into water bodies, harming aquatic plant and animals. Next, they harm the microbes present in the soil.